everyone, it's your boy Dan back for another video. I hope you're all doing well, and today we're gonna summon for my boy Aizen and other filler units, obviously. So let's see what happens then. I'm really excited and looking forward to this. Let's go! Boys, before we dive into the summons, people were asking me a lot about 6-star tickets, so I'm just gonna help you guys with it, right? Because I see a lot of people asking me questions, what units to get and everything, so I'm just gonna do a simple review and you guys pick whoever you want actually. So right now when I see the thing, I see the Spirit Society Lisa and Whitey Chigo, which are really cool. I mean, they're really OP, boys. Go for it. Lisa is a potion unit, really helpful. She's a holo killer as well, really helps in all the modern quest. And then there's Whitey Chigo, who's really OP, no affiliation auto unit. Yeah, so OP, boys. Go for them. They're really helpful. If I was you, I would go for. If it was me, I was going for Whitey Chigo, obviously. Then next, this Chad and Nellier right here, both are really good actually. Both are Arankar killers if I know for sure. Nellier is an OP auto unit. I'm gonna pick her on my selection, right? Definitely, why not? Then on to the second row. Chad is good as well. You can go for him. He's there in the banner as well, right? So yeah. And coming to the second row, the Mission Society units like Nemo and Yoruichi really OP. Actually, if you were not me, I would have gone for Mission Society Nemo as well. But since I have Rukia 5x5, I'm not going for it. But you need to press on the Nemo, guys. She's guaranteed, right? Yeah, I'm instead going for the Yoruichi, which might be really good for me if she comes to home. Xyloroporo is bad. He's just Crystal Link. Don't go for him. If you really want Crystal Link desperate, then go. Same for this Mashiro as well. She's not that great, so I won't be recommending you guys to select her because this ticket comes once in a while and make full use of it, right? As for the Noitora, he's this no affiliation killer and he's really decent for Senkemon quest. So if you really want him, go for him. Otherwise, yeah. Again, I'm leaving it up to you. Renji is a good Espada auto unit, no questions about that. Uryu again is a good Soul Reaper killer. Momo is a potion unit, and Rangiku Riruka. I will be going for Riruka because Riruka is OP. She is really good. Trust me, guys. She hits like a truck. And then coming back to the fourth row, this Orihime, Kukaku are really decent. They're really good. Orihime will help you in all range GK weeks, Epic Rites, Senkemon, everything, right? Kukaku is really good as well actually according to me, so I would use them both, but I'm leaving out Kukaku because I have other units to select down the line. But you can go for it if you need a Arankar melee proper auto unit, right? Yeah. And then Grimjaw here, this Grimjaw right here is a very solid unit, guys. He's really helpful for this quest. Make sure you select him if you want actually. He's a holo melee unit, really powerful, helps you in a lot of quests. Ikaku again is a holo melee proper auto unit, really helpful. Edrad is a human killer. Yeah, you can just mimic my selection with a bit of changes. Up to you guys. I will be going personally for both Annie Ichigo and Annie Byakuya. They should be there in all the 10 selection, whoever does it, right? Unless you guys don't have him 5x5. Yeah, unless that you're gonna go for him. And then I'll be going for Swimsuit Apache because she's 4x5. That's the only reason, right? Because she is 4x5, I need a dupe. So yeah, that's why I'm going for her. I would probably go for wait, let me check. And down the banner, everyone is decent, guys. You can go for many of them. This Fierce Battle Kenny, good. Yeah, after this row, it kind of becomes old actually. After the Annie unit row, these are all units which you might possess or you might not possess. You can go for the orbs. They're all pretty much decent, to be honest. I'm just looking whether I see any resurrection links though. Yeah, I don't see any resurrection units. These are all just for collection. Okay, this Riruka right here is OP link, so I just took a look. Yeah, if it's a resurrection unit, go for it though. This Red Soifon is a good link as well actually, so I might pick her. But I just want to go down and see there is even more OP links. This Orange Jutsu is OP, Swimsuit Null is OP, this Riruka is OP as well, so yeah, I might go for it. Yeah, these guys, this ticket, like pretty much all are good actually. Lot of resurrection units, to be honest. You can select anyone, but I would be selecting the top brass because I don't want to risk it, boys. You know, like yeah, basically select the top brass, you know, top brass in the sense the top new units. Even though the old units are good, they give you some orbs. I reckon you just stick with the new units, you know. Yeah, I will be going for the new units. I might go for Mugetsu because I need Mugetsu. Will I get him though? This will be my selection. but you can tinker a bit. Always stick with the first 4-5 rows because they have all the good units required in this game, right? So yeah, I could go for a summon. I'm just looking one sec though, boys. Yeah, if I pull a Byakuya Duke, I'll be like real happy. True. So yeah, this will be my selection, boys. I hope I get something what I want. So good luck with it, boys. Yeah, let's see. Nice. This is a well thought of selection for me, but you guys can change a bit though. There's a lot of resurrection links. Take your time, check out album, look at all of them, and you should be getting something. What I'm getting though? Oh yes, my Apache is 5x5, boys. Yeah, there you go. She is good for Espada week now. I will roll her with a 3-star SP and she should be ready for the thing, right? Yeah, that's the thing, boys. I hope I helped you somewhat with the ticket. Make sure you select do the selection what I did, and you could like choose any other units from the first row which I lacked. Yeah. So boys, I will summon on the 5-star tickets I have, the 4-star 5-star tickets, and yeah, all the short stuff before I go to the main banner, right? Also I'll do the free summons as well, so let's see. First I'll get my Cave of Discipline ticket, hopefully something, right? Something good. Yep, hopefully. Please, Caleb, come on, give me something. You should be able to tell with one glance. No, it's Alkiora. Come on, Sag boys, but it's fine. It's just a Cave of Discipline ticket. Yeah, but it takes long usually though. I never got good units from Cave of Discipline ticket. I don't know why. Anyways, we'll do some Brave Soul tickets and 4-star 5-star tickets, and then let's dive right into the banner then. Yeah, and at the end of the video, I'll be explaining about the I'll be explaining about the 6-star tickets. So that's nice. So let's see. Okay, this one is Shaft. Let's see, the next one should be good enough. I hope so. Boys, let's see. I hope I pull Aizen from the Brave Soul tickets. Nice joke. I'm just kidding though. Yeah, okay. This is Shaft, but it's just 30 odd tickets, and yeah, I'm not expecting anything though. If I get something, lol, that's a different story, right? Yeah, if I get something, that is. Anyways, yeah, final 10 x10. Nah, I'm not getting anything out of this. That's fine, boys. That's fine. Let's move on to the 5-star, 4-star, 5-star tickets, and then like on to the free summons. Then, boys. Maybe I'll do this to 0, right? I'll just do the Brave Soul tickets to 0. Hold up for a while. I will do the 4-star 5-star tickets to 0 as well. Yep, I'm just too excited, boys. So lost. Yeah, I'm lost for words actually right now. Okay, so that's cool. We got the Brave Soul tickets done. So let's move on to the 4-star 5-stars, and then like the daily summons, right? Yeah, cool. 4-star 5-star. There we go. X10, boys. Hopefully I pull something. Another day I will record my premium summons. Probably I'll do it in a live stream, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, okay, this one is nothing. Okay, then I'll wind up the 4-star 5-star tickets now, and let's get on to the main event then. Yeah, also guys, like I'll be explaining about the 6-star ticket at the end of the video. So yeah, once the summons are done, lol. I'm right now too hyped up, so I'm not doing much. So yeah, I'm just summoning. Okay, this is done. That's cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get back to my free daily Brave Soul summons. One free X10 summons every day, stepped in guarantees a 5-star character. That's cool, boys. Trust me, that's really cool, right? Yeah, so that's OP. Let's go. Okay, give me something, Caleb. Just kidding. Okay, this one is Shaft. That's fine, it's fine. Okay, so we will get to the banner now. All I'm gonna do is do how much our orbs I have, but before I do this, for luck basis, I'm gonna do a cones multi, right? Yeah, I will do a cones multi and then come back to the banner. Yeah, so let's go. Where is shop? Wrong button. Yep, there you go, shop. Let me do a cones multi real quick. Yes, that's done. Yeah, just for the luck, boys. Luck is needed, right, for that banner. So all I need is an anniversary Byakuya or white Ichigo. Nothing much or less than that. So yeah, let's see. Let's go, boys. I hope. Yeah, this is the main event now, right? That was all built up for this. Yeah, I hope all the luck hits now. Free step, boys. Let's do it then. Yeah, 4% 5-star drop rate, but who knows? We can pull it, right? We can pull something out of this if luck is with us. Okay, I see 2 butterflies. I think it's a Shaft, but who knows? Oh, it's a reject, boys. Free summons reject, lol. What do you mean reject, boys? Yeah, let's see what is happening. I respect Captain Urana. She's cool and amazing. I don't know who this is. Okay, this is some Isane which I don't have. So is it a win, boys? I don't know. Are we getting any other thing? Sometimes Orihime Reject does give us some other 5 star, So yeah, let's hope we have another 5 star. Otherwise, it's fine. It's just a free step though. I haven't spent any orbs actually. No free. I mean, I haven't even spent a single orb, and I got a 5 star unit, so that's cool. I think she's old because I haven't seen her anywhere. Probably a resurrection unit. Hopefully, if she is, then let me down in the comments, boys. Second step, then. Yeah, now is where I start spending orbs, right? Hopefully, I'm getting something, boys. Yeah, let's go. Step 2. Looks like a shaft. Oh, he may fake out again. Wow, boys. I thought it was shaft. Lol. Let's see. I transcend everything, boys. I pulled it, boys. Step 2. Step 2, boys. Bro. Lol, I'm lost for words actually right now. I pulled it. Step 2. That's it. Nice. Cool. Wow. And all the hard work, and I pulled the Aizen in step 2, right? That means I basically have all the units from this month except Art Book Ichigo. Yeah, nice, boys. I got it. Lol. Let's go. Yeah, step 3 then, boys. Step 3 then. Let's hope we get some more units, right? Yeah, let me spend all the orbs. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. I got the Aizen already. I got the anniversary banner unit, boys. So what's the pain, right? Yeah, okay, this one is shaft. Understandable. Step 3, cool. Because step 2 gave you Aizen. So obviously you're gonna expect some shaft stuff. Lol. Step 4, boys. Now the rates are gonna be tight. It's gonna be 6% from now onwards. 6.5 actually. So yeah, all I'm expecting is some kind of luck to be with me, boys. 1, 2, 3 butterflies necessarily doesn't mean anything though. Okay, this one is shaft. That's fine. That's fine, boys. We still have orbs. We're gonna push ourselves how much ever we can. Yeah, let's go. We get more units, right? Lol. Yeah. Okay, step 5 then now. Yeah, let's see. Let's see whether RNG gods be with me. Be with me, boys. Be with me. It's a 5-star, boys. Yeah, I'm looking at a 5-star right now. Okay. This thing looks good. Can't be done without help from someone you trust. Uryu, boys. Yeah, let's go. He's good. Oh, Desert Society Rukia. Wow, it's a 2-in-1. Nice. I do have the Desert Society Rukia. It's a dupe, but I'll take it though. I'll take any 5-star units, right? We're not gonna complain about that shit, lol. Yeah. Take anything you get right now. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Another new unit. Win, boys. Because we're getting orbs, right? Orbs back. Yeah, so that's cool. Step 6 guaranteed, boys. Let's go. The main important step, what I'm gonna do right now. Yeah. Let me see what I get out of this. I already got 2 5-stars, so it's a win already. But still, let's go. Oh, I got a Uryu dupe. Nice. 5th stack gave me Uryu dupe, I mean, so that's cool. Let me see whether I got anything else. Oh, it's fine. We're gonna go all in on the step 6, right? After step 6, I mean, so that's great. It's enough. It's cool actually. I got a dupe of Uryu. He's good. He's really good, and he'll be helpful for me somewhere. And I got the Aizen already, so yeah. Okay, boys, time to do this. 8%. Let's go. We will get a 5-star, boys. Trust me. Yeah, hopefully. Okay, that's two butterflies. Is it a fake out? Yes, it's a fake out, boys. Let's go. Yep. Let's see what scale I'm giving me there. It's my job to help the weak. That's why. Oh, that's a Society Rukia. That's fine. It's fine. We might get another 5-star, boys. Yeah. So let's go. Let's see. I mean, I'm hoping for something here. Okay, this is kind of cool. After this, we're gonna dip to single steps, or okay, I'm gonna stick with some more multis. Lol. Yeah, okay, that Desert Society Rukia is 3/5 now, so that's cool. So yeah, let's go, boys. More steps. Yeah, let me see whether I pull something right now. Let's see. Okay, 2 butterflies again. Come on. Yes, it's a 5-star, boys. Yeah, I'm having insane luck today. Okay, I'll show you the power of 6 spirits. It's Orient Society Orihime. It's new. I'll take it. My orbs are coming back, so yeah. Okay, anyone else, boys? Anyone else we are looking at? Oh, I got the Zangetsu, boys. Wow, bro. I mean, like, I'm having insane luck today. I don't know which side of the bed I woke up. 4 new units already. I got a Orient Society Orihime. I got the Zangetsu as well. Wow. This is some insane luck, boys. I got the Aizen as well, right? And I got the Uryu as well. I got the 4 banner units. I don't know whether I really wanted it, but still. Let's go, boys. One butterfly now. I think it's gonna be a shaft. It's expected though. It's expected, yeah. I mean, like, you can't be lucky all the time, boys. There we go. That's great. 1206 orbs more to go. We will pull something, right? We will keep on doing it. How luck will it? Yeah, true. Let's see. Probably this is my best Annie banner. I think I got shafted in all the banners which I pulled in Dokkan and Legends. Wow, it's a fake out, boys. Guaranteed. I know when I see one, right? Because I've been playing this game for way long now. As a rule, I don't like to fight over nothing. Boys! This is my... I lost count of how much new units I've pulled in this banner, right? Yeah, I've really lost count. And I don't know. I just pulled a 5-star right now. Yeah, I just have this luck, I guess. So I just keep on pulling them. Oh, I think these things will give me orbs actually. So I'm winning a lot of orbs back, boys. Trust me. Yeah, even I haven't expected that much luck out of this banner, to be honest. Yeah, okay, let's go. We still have orbs. We can do 4 more steps, right? Yes, we are gonna end in a while, lol. But let's see whether we pull something more. Oh, it's a 5-star, boys. Boys, my luck today. It's just incredible, right? Incredible luck. Wow, some A's in there. That's fine. He might be old. I might be getting orbs. Who knows? Who knows, right? Wow, I am getting more non-featured units than featured there. Yeah, even the Nelliel wasn't featured, but yeah, I pulled her. Okay, that's good. That's a red A's and dupe. I'll take it, boys. It's kind of in low. Yeah, it's better than nothing. You get transcendence points. Yeah, true. Okay, 2 more steps, boys, and then I'll do some individuals, right? Yeah, so... Oh, this one is shaft. Yep, that's expected though. So, I'm already happy with the summons, but let's see. One more step, right? One more step. We pull something. We pull Byakuya dupe, Ichigo dupe, something like that. Yeah, let's hope, boys. Let's hope it's gonna be the case, right? Lol. Okay, this is one. Oh no, that's a shaft. It's fine, lol. Now let's get on to the individuals then, right, boys? Yeah, we got the units we needed actually. I got orbs. I could recycle back and go again, like, it's a win, boys. For me it's a win. I don't know about others, lol. Okay, so let's dive into some individuals then. Yeah, okay, this one is free, so I'm expecting a shaft. It's fine. It's a shaft, right? Yeah, it's understandable because it's an individual and it's a free step. You're not gonna expect 5-star from that. Only if you like have insane luck, you're gonna get that. 15 orbs. 15 orbs doesn't hurt us, boys. We will go for it, right? We will. If we pull a 5-star, it's a win, right? That's all that matters, boys. At the end of the day, if we pull a 5-star out of individual, trust me, that's gonna be OP. This is shaft expected again. Yeah, I'm just gonna go down to 0. See what's happening. Yeah, what's happening in the 0 old, boys? Lol. Okay, step 7 is like 8%. Okay, this is 2 butterflies. It might be, boys. Boys, I pulled Ryuk out of the individuals, boys. What the hell is going on? Boys? I pulled all the new units right there. Another new unit. See there. Let's go, boys. My luck today is insane, right? Yeah, I'm just looking at this. I can't believe it, boys. Yeah, this luck is insane. Like, I don't know what I did today, but I pulled a 5-star right now. Yeah, that was a 5-star there. Out of individual, I spent 20 orbs for that shit. I'm getting 125 back. So just imagine the returns, Lol, okay. Individuals are great. Yeah, trust me, boys. You are seeing me right now, right? I'm doing individuals. I'm not even doing the main stuff. But individuals are great. We need to give the due respect it deserves. Yeah. Okay. That's cool. We got a Shunsui. Nice, I'll take it. I mean, it's a premium thing. So yeah, that's cool. Let's see. We need to do some more stuff. Step 6, boys. Let's go. Yeah. Let's see. I hope it would have been nice if it was a guaranteed. Okay, I see 2 butterflies now. I think it's gonna be a shaft. Yeah, it's a shaft. Maybe I should skip it like how I did with Riruka, right? Yeah, I should get some insane luck and maybe do it. Yeah, okay, so that's great. Step 7, let's go. It's 8%, boys. It's 8%. I do some miracle and I pull something. It's 8% luck. Yeah, and it might change the way I think about this banner. Lol. Just kidding though. Okay, this one is shaft expected. We might pull something actually. So hold up, guys. Who knows? Yeah, this game is like a lot of twists and turns. Even I don't know what is gonna happen really, to be honest, boys. With you, I'm with you here. Yeah, I'm just with you here, and it's to the it's gonna be shaft. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. We got Riruka already, so I'm looking it as a win. I'm just gonna do one more individual for the sake of you guys. Yeah, cool boys. Let's see. Let's go. Maybe we might pull something, right? Who knows? We just expect something, right? Lol. Is it? Is it? Nah. Okay, that's fine. That's cool. We got already a lot of units, and it's a win. I don't even know how much units I got. I just need to go back and count later on. Yeah, I'm just making the video right now, so I really don't know how much actually I've pulled, to be honest. That's cool, boys. Yeah, boys, that's it for the video, boys. I think you all enjoyed it, and it was good for me as well for my account. And yeah, thanks for watching then, boys. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and if you had pulled Aizen like me, yeah, we rock, boys. Okay then, peace then, take care then, everyone. Thanks for watching.